Wake up! Ah! What's good? What's good? What's good? I'm so scared. I have a bad dream. You have a who now? But I have a bad dream. About who? About you, man. I was attacked. I was attacked by a marshmallow. How did I get attacked by a marshmallow? Yeah, marshmallows. Why can I taste marshmallows? Wait, can you taste marshmallows? A little. Dang, marshmallows. So yeah, back in my dreams, I had a dream about someone was stalking me like a Pink Panther. Nobody goes around Pink Panther. Guys, look, we have several days until school's over. Wait, is it school's over? Yeah. What's your dream? My dream is that I was eating a marshmallow. Then it came attacking me. And what it did to me? It told me, you're gonna eat me. A marshmallow cannot eat you, as a marshmallow is not worth it. Yes, it is. It's worth it to me. Yeah, because you're big. I'm not big. Am I big? No, I'm not big. Come over in the camera back at me. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So, I had a big bad dream about you. Me? Why me? I would never do such a thing. You already think. Damn. So guys, I will pay a whole dream. It's all about this. Once upon a time, there was a mean eye. Once upon a time, there was a koala. Dude, are you so cringe? I'm not cringe. Oh, maybe I am cringe. But so, go back to your story. So, I was eating a marshmallow. Then it came through me and eats me alive. No! Don't. I don't want to lose you. Like you lose me over the past 3 weeks. You gotta be kidding. I'm out. Bro, I'm out. You guys really think that could be awesome? Huh? Okay, forget everything I just said. You guys are my best friends I ever had. Best friendship brothers. I thought I forgot we're brothers. But the craziest dream ever I have is a marshmallow again. I just said that at the beginning of the video. You did. I don't even play that video game. He died, right? Yeah, he died. Let's get out of here. You okay? It was just a dream. It was just a dream. You know what a dream is? It was a dream. What am I? What am I? Hello, Your Highness. Who are you? I'm Flagon. Flagon? I don't know who you are, but welcome to Marshmallow World. Yep, Marshmallow Road. Marshmallow Road is the best thing in my life. So wait. What's that shaking? What's that shaking? What's that shaking? We should help him, right? Yes, Majesty. I'm alive. Let's go. Whee! You're alive. You're alive. Let's go. I was having a dream that people were healing me with the marshmallow and stuff. They did? Marshmallow? Oh wow, that must be a crazy dream about marshmallows. Yep, marshmallows is alright. Thank you for joining us today. Subscribe. And I did my best on the video. I'm sorry guys, I'm a failure. Wow.